Congratulations on becoming a member of the Rocket team. While we design for a variety of customers, our primary focus is designing application suites for space. In these series of videos, we will go through the design process of working specifically in the space domain. At Rocket, our role is to provide UX guidance for mission-critical apps and systems that contribute to the security of our nation. This can include objectives such as building scalable interfaces and standards to transitioning legacy systems into modern common architecture. Our partners and clients in the Air Force Space Command currently include the Space and Missile Systems Center, the Advanced System and Development Directorate, and the Ground Systems and Operations Division. SMC's program managers are responsible for purchasing the software and tech used by our operators under the AFSPC. However, these purchasers are not our end users. The operators in the 2nd Space Operator Squadron, otherwise known as 2SOPs, are the flight and crew members who will ultimately be using our designs, and they are the operators you will most likely be doing user testing with. They know the ins and outs of the current software, what the capabilities are, and can lend the most insight into the day-to-day operations that will make your designs more effective. Across Mil Space Command, there are 5 military space priorities, or missions. These include Space Situational Awareness, Battle Management Command and Control, Space Services Support, Space Control, and Space Support to Military Operations. Rocket is currently involved in supporting a fraction of these missions such as satellite operations, telemetry tracking and command, and the scheduling and positioning of satellites. The goal is to create cross-functional data analytics and common UI between different applications and services so that experiences, interfaces, and best practices are standardized between missions. Currently, across the broader space community, the tools our airmen use are all unique to their missions and squadrons and require extensive training. This compartmentalized approach creates a stovepipe problem as well as hinders cross-training and onboarding processes. In order to standardize the user experience across the greater enterprise, Rocket uses their own design system called Astro. The Astro Space UX design system enables design and development teams to build rich space app experiences and custom applications with established interaction patterns and best practices. Using Astro to design our space-focused apps helps ensure that the airmen managing our space assets are using the most modern and consistent tools available. While working on space apps for our airmen is a really unique, rewarding experience, there are some pitfalls and etiquette you should be aware of when working and interacting with our partners and users. At Rocket, we have developed a design process specifically for our space customers that is ever-evolving but time-tested when designing for the Air Force Space Command and similar domains in the broader Department of Defense. Typically, when working on space-related projects, you will be working with a partner designer. This is to ensure that task and design problems can be divided and vetted between each other, ensuring that solutions are not designed in a vacuum and project deadlines are met. At the beginning of a project, a kickoff meeting will be conducted between the Rocket team and our client. It's here where introductions are made between the product owners, subject matter experts, and point of contacts on the partner side, and the program manager, project manager, and designers on the Rocket team. This will either take place on site or on a video conference call. It's at this point that we give a demo on Rocket's Launchpad design process to our customer. The Launchpad design process is an iterative approach to UX design that allows us to continually validate our design thinking with partners, ensuring we are designing to the best interest of our stakeholders and users. In our next video, we will discuss the research and discovery phase of a space-related project.